In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Squarespace, and we'll walk through this process which you can easily complete in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're adding a document for download or a stunning image to enhance your site, we'll ensure it's a seamless experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. Upon arriving, the very first thing you'll need to do is click on the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page, so it's quite easy to spot. Clicking on this will prompt you to access your Squarespace account. Once you click login, you'll find several options to sign in. Here, we're going to choose the Continue with Google option. Doing so will streamline your login process, especially if your browser is set to remember your credentials. It's particularly convenient if you're working across multiple devices and want to keep your experience consistent. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. On this page, you should see a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Go ahead and click on the specific website where you want to upload your file. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the file gets uploaded to the correct site. Now that you've accessed your chosen website, next you need to head over to the Assets section. This is located in your website settings and is where all backend files are managed and kept organized. You can usually find this under the Design or Home menu tabs. If you're unsure of where this is, don't worry too much. It often has a label like Asset Library or something similar, so keep an eye out for that. With the Assets section opened, you should see various folders or a clean space if nothing has been uploaded yet. Up next, spot and click on the button labeled Upload. It's typically prominent and easy to find. Clicking this button will open a window allowing you to browse files on your computer. From here, it's time to locate the file you want to upload from your device. Double check you're selecting the right file type, whether it's a PDF, an image, or perhaps a document, as Squarespace supports a variety of formats. Once you've made your choice, click Open or Select, and watch as it uploads to your asset library. And there you have it. Your file is now part of your website's assets, ready to be integrated or shared as needed. Feel free to return to this process anytime you need to upload more files. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through uploading files to Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Squarespace.